just 400,000 Ghana cedis. I am saving it in the month of April. All right. We are in the month of April. Yes, of course. We are in the month of April 2025. Today happens to be the 1st of April. And it is indeed a beautiful Tuesday evening, exactly 8 o'clock p.m. I am here to tell you that we are still on the course, on the 48 months to paradise. And this happens to be our 4th month. Early beginnings of this year, we actually initiated a program called 48 Months to Paradise, where within these 48 months, we have dedicated for savings. Whatever amount that you realize in the month, then you take a chunk of it, a little of it, and save it. How much can you afford? You invest it into your life. You sow a seed in your life. You are not sowing that seed to my life. You are not giving it to me. You are not giving it to anybody. You are sowing that seed into your life. So you see, it's something that you can't do away with it. And sometimes when persuasion fails, force must be applied. I must force you for you to say something. I know it is your own money, but you must do something with it. Indeed, I am the oracle of money, success, and wealth. I am Opatafuor. Now, I'll visit you in a dream and bring you something. I'll bring you a good tidings, and I believe you will open the gate for me to enter. Once you open the gate for me, I'll visit you. Is it money that you want? The God that I serve is a rich God. The God that I serve, he says, wealth, riches, and everything belongs to him. For that matter, I can never be poor. Sufferings is part of human life, but for the fact that I go through these life challenges, God will prepare me, and not anywhere than preparing to glorify himself through me. And we have grown past that stage. This level that we are, we keep on accumulating and keep on adding years. We keep on adding blessings upon blessings into our life. And I am on your screen to share with you. We are in the month of April 2025. The question in here is that, how much are you saving? The little that you care. Don't force yourself. Don't stress yourself. But it should be paramount. It should be a forceful thing that you must save something. Don't let the month to slip off your hands without you contributing a dime to your life. When you do that, you are harming yourself. You are causing a calamity to your future. You are infusing an atrocity, a dangerous end into your life. Why? Because anything can happen. You can just get up one day and the government will give you a sack letter. The government can terminate your appointment. You know how the world behaves. So get yourself prepared so that even when the government tells you go home, or your boss tells you that I cannot work with you anymore, then you go and lay your hands on your savings and invest it in your life. You must do an establishment for yourself, creating a multiple streams of income. There are so many businesses that you can venture into it. With the little that you have saved, you can go into real estate. But real estate, it contains a lot. I'll take my time and come out and then explain a lot of things to you. You need to create a stream that will allow the inflow of cash. Yes, you need a cash flow. Don't depend solely on one job. If it takes for you to add up or to double your hustle, do it. Because this is the set time. This is a golden opportunity that you must make good use of it. This year, 2025, you have to make money. I'm still in school, but I have to make money. Make money, make money, make money. It is very important. Wherever that you're watching me across the global world, in Africa, in diaspora, wherever that you're watching me, it's a beautiful Tuesday evening, live in the continent of Africa. Blessings to you wherever you're watching me. Today too, I deem it great, and I'm very grateful that I am here to tell you that I am adding a 400,000 Ghana cedis. It shows that every month, God keeps on adding something to my life. And I appreciate that so much. You know, God has used me in a diverse form. I have touched so many lives through my motivational messages and the good things that I've been doing for people. Though sometimes when you do good to people, they will tell you to become evil and bastardize you with it. They will jeopardize you with it. But about 10 to 20% of these people turn and say, Pastor, a man of God, a brother, our uncle, our father, we are very grateful unto you. Proud to the advice that you give us. Today we have been able to save and invest wisely, and this is the outcome of it. And when I hear some of these things, I burst into righteous laughter. Why? Because I love it when people help themselves to eradicate poverty, to manumute themselves out of poverty. Sometimes when you don't do saving, you see that it will get to a point in your life where you'll be wallowing in the pool of impecuniosity and long suffering. Many of you people are suffering because you never saved. We are in the month of April 2025 and you must save. Save it, Mr. Politician, medical expert, a legal luminary. Please save it. Save something. A legal luminary. I respect your office. I respect your medical office. I respect you, Mr. Politician. Don't think that you become an MP till the end of time. And don't think that you remain in the office. When your government goes into opposition, everything will get out of your hands. So make hay whilst the sun is shining on you this time. Make hay whilst you are in your office. Make hay whilst you are dating a prominent rich person who keeps on giving you money. Don't, be lavishing your life whilst you have a very poor family background. You must help yourself. You must lay a foundation for your future. Don't go and come out. Nobody knows what the future holds. But you see, try your best. And let people know that you actually did try your best, but just that things couldn't work the way you were expecting it to do. Save it. Save money. Today, I am saving 400,000 Ghana cedis. And as usual, I normally show you the money just to ginger you and boost you. Save it. Sow a seed in your life. Sow a seed in your life. I don't know if you are a salary earner. You earn salary based on your monthly, on a monthly basis, on a weekly, on a daily or hour basis. Well, how you receive or earn money is not important. But important is whatever that comes into your hands. Are you able to save a chunk of it, a little of it? Are you able to save for the future? This is what I'm talking about. So, without wasting much of your time, this is what I'm saving. This is 100,000. This is 200,000 Ghana cedis. This is 300,000 Ghana cedis. And this is 400,000 Ghana cedis. I know it's a chicken change, but that's all what I've got. And because of that, instead of me to go to club with it, instead of me to let it go waste, I'll invest it in my life. Try and add a meaning to my life. When you are able to add even $10 to your savings account, it means you have appreciated in life and you have added value to it. But the little $10, 10 cedis, 10 kobo, 10 naira, 10 euro, 10 pounds, when you spend it all, it means you have not added value to yourself. Be a tax collector in your own life. Be collecting tax out of the money that you earn and save it. I am my own tax collector. If I'm to tell you the truth, I collect tax for my own self, for the betterment of my future, for me not to become a burden on the society and my children. I have to start saving for my life. I have to invest wisely. This is for me, not for anybody. Stay safe. Normally, as usual, don't go into public things. You only go there when you are invited. Don't go and be wasting my time because people are very jealous and greedy, envious of themselves. When they see you holding money like this, they will devise some strategy, come in with all kinds of messages. So it's been a long time. How are you? All these are complete border dash. Rubbish out. Block some people out of your life and start making money. Big time. Start saving. And once you give it to them, they have squandered it and nothing positive came out of it. The only thing they told you was nonsense and rubbish. This time, save it. It's just 400,000 Ghana cedis. I am saving it in the month of April. Next month too, I'll come your way and ask you, how much are you saving? Keep on adding value to yourself because people will only value when you are valuable. If you understand what I'm saying, people will only respect you. In these modern times, especially the continent of Africa, people respect the money but not the person. So if you want to earn respect in the sight of people, you must be able to put something put something or bring, when you dip your hands into your pocket, you must be able to bring something out of it. Or else, when you shook your hands into your pocket and nothing comes out of it, it means nobody respects you. It means you will be there just like that. It means people will devalue you, look you in the face and spit on you because they think you are not valued and you are nobody because you don't have it. So don't allow such an incident to happen to you. Maybe you don't have it big. You don't have it big. Listen, maybe you don't have it big to add this sum of money. But even if it is 20, 200 cedis, go and put it in your savings account. Please and please, go and put it in your savings account and add value to yourself. They respect money, not human. If your personality will be recognized in the society and be respected in your own nuclear and extended family, unless you are able to put something on the table, neglect the naysayers and people who keeps on whispering to you, who keeps on, you see, I am a child that have grown to understand certain things. I'll keep on making money so that I'll allow you to do the talks. Always keep on sabotaging me. If you are my enemy watching me, don't stop it. Keep on spreading my name because you are helping my name to reach far and long. You are allowing people to discover me because at the very moment you start discussing me negatively, the person that you are discussing me negatively to the person or to the person will wish to look for me. And these things has really worked for me so many times. So please, please and please, be justice and be truthful. If you are working in a company, don't go and steal from the company coffers. The little that comes to you. I'm telling you, when you are able to invite the Spirit of God and work diligently, be truthful to yourself, nobody can bring you down. Nobody can bring you down. It is better for you to save 10 cedis than to go and steal from your workplace, to go and steal from innocent souls, to come and save. That one, there's no blessings in it. When you steal from somebody, there's no blessings in it. When you steal from somebody, when you cheat somebody, when you disgrace somebody, when you jeopardize somebody to enrich yourself, when you tarnish the hard-earned reputation of somebody just to seek favor in the sight of people, there's no blessings in it. The blessings is the good ones comes directly from God. It is only God that blesses. It is only God that blesses. Me, I don't care about anybody. Whatever rubbish you talk about me, whatever thing you say about me, it's none of my business. I am always focused in making difference, touching lives, being able to meet people's expectation, my loved ones, and that is what it's all about. Don't be giving much attention to them. All these evil women, evil men who come into your life to cause you pain. Throw them away. Block them. Block them. Evil people who come to your way and cause you pain. Block them because they don't add any value to you. They only take things out of you. This time around, keep your head locked and keep your head straight. It is all about money making. You sit yourself, pin your text down. Pick up a pen. Analyze yourself. All those who doesn't add value to you, cancel them out. Block them. Let them go and say whatever that they want to say. Because they don't add any value to your life. They don't advise you, neither do they give you something to support your life. So they don't provide you with any source of inspiration. They don't provide you with any motivational message. So why do you waste your time and keep these people? Don't be keeping them. Don't be keeping them. Block them. They only come into your life and steal, kill you, and destroy your image. And don't allow such to happen. We are in the month of what? April 2025. Today is Tuesday evening. Share this video with a lot of people. Save something. I am saving something. And this is exactly what I'm doing to help my life, to better my future. It's just a chicken change. I have it much in abundance. But this is the little that I'm saving. It is just 400,000 Ghana cedis in the month of April 2025. Stay safe and keep your head straight. Break barriers, all the limitations, break it, make money. You will never die. You live and declare the goodness of our Lord. You live to fulfill life. You live to accomplish whatever aspirations that you perspire in life. You live to fulfill your dreams. Nobody can cut it short because I believe it is written in scriptures that the expectation of the righteous shall never be cut off. So for this reason, I don't have it in my heart and mind. My own is to stay safe. And life is like a game. Learn how to play it. Don't play with a fool. play with a sensible and a wise person so that you can tap into the wisdom of that person. When you meet people who are advanced in terms of success, in terms of knowledge, don't become jealous and envious and sabotage those people. Collaborate with them, humble before them, and then tap into their ideas and seek from there how they manage to get to that level. And by so doing, you will also go far in life. Stay blessed. I am Opatafuor. Take the number showing on the screen. I'm not going to ask you any money, but let's be friends. Yes, I want you as a friend, as a brother, as a sister, as anybody that you deem it fit. Pick the number and send me a message on WhatsApp. Bless you and bless you so much.